Hey YouTubers, I haven't posted for a little while. I've been doing a bit of work on the FJ. You've missed some of the stuff where, yeah, with me sweating and swearing. But the motor's in the bike now. I finally got a battery today so I can actually test the compression on this engine and actually see if it turns over properly under it, yeah, and with its starter motor. So here we go. You can see, bike's painted, got a full front end on it. Motor's in there. Everything's screwed on. Doesn't have carbies and doesn't have the exhaust on yet. Not quite that far ahead. Got the battery in. I've been doing a lot on the wiring, fixing up wires that have, had some issues. I don't know whether you can see in there. Fix up some wiring. Down over here. Actually, I've hidden it, but all the wiring from here on my old harness had a lot of copper rod in it. So I bought another harness, which had some issues as well, but I've taken the good bits and put them on here. So if that was better, it's also given me a spare black box. Still a little bit of tidying up to do on the wiring, but it's nearly there. But I have me handy dandy compression tester. I would like one of the screw-in type, but that one will do for now. So without further ado, we'll turn the key. Look at that, we got power. Alright, now I don't know how I'm going to do this one-handed, but where are we? So put that down in there. Turns over. Oh, that'd be right. Me pressure tester, compression tester leaks. See if we can get a reasonable reading. That was about 100 pairs. 100 psi. So I think about 100 to 120 is normal. We'll try this one. Yep, we're up to at least 100 again. So, right. Sorry guys. Oops. That's not sealing. That one was better. That was up to nearly 120. That one, I was watching that. I must have a little leak in there somewhere. I'll have to buy a new one. And last one. That one was way up there. That one was 135. So good. But this motor's been sitting for a while, so the rings may need to expand. Yeah, that might be a little bit frozen. I'll get the carbies on hopefully this weekend, and the exhaust, which is hanging up there, we'll get that on and hopefully make some noise out of the old girl. But it turns over on its own. My wiring works. Cool. Happy days. Catch us later, and keep on riding. Please click like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Yeah, but you never know, I might get $10 from YouTube one day. So I'll get this bike done, and hopefully all together, and I'll put on Club Rego, and then we'll start on this one. This one will be a joy. She's going to require a little bit more work. Going to need the front end rebuilt. But that's what we've got in store. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the road. Bye.